Ever wondered how your crypto portfolio would have performed if you had invested 6 months ago? With CryptoExcel, you don't have to guess. In my last video, I showed you how to use the st_convert function to instantly convert coins into fiat. But today, we're going a step further. With the conversion history function, you can look back in time, compare different coins, and see how they performed over a specific period. This is incredibly useful for deciding how to allocate your holdings, tracking your portfolio history, or even running advanced correlation analysis. So, how does it work? First, you choose which coins you want to analyze. In this video, we'll use Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, but you can select any coins available on the exchange. Next, define the time frame and the period you want to look at. Other parameters are optional. For example, you can choose which exchange to fetch the data from. There's also a powerful option called val_100. When enabled, CryptoExcel simulates buying 100 units of your target currency at the start of the period. This makes it super easy to compare performance across multiple coins. Behind the scenes, CryptoExcel sends the requests to the exchange, processes the data in Python, and then displays everything neatly inside Excel, no coding required. As you'll see, Bitcoin USD and Ethereum USDT were highly correlated for part of the period, moving almost in sync. But later, Bitcoin pulled ahead and outperformed Ethereum. After 2 years, Bitcoin had more than doubled its value, while Ethereum remained mostly flat. And that's the power of the conversion history function, turning raw market data into clear insights you can actually use. Before we wrap up, CryptoExcel is more than just one function. It's a full Excel add-in that connects directly to over 100 crypto exchanges. You can stream live prices, track balances, analyze historical data, and even send trades, all from inside Excel. And the best part? The beta version is free right now. So if you want to test it out and start building your own professional-grade crypto spreadsheets, head over to cryptoexcel.live and download the add-in today.